Hey everyone, in today's video we will learn what is the new Ask Studio feature in your YouTube studio. So when you go to your studio, click on contact or analysis, you will see over here this new star which appears. Just click on it and you will see this feature from YouTube called as Ask Studio. Now one of the key factors in YouTube studio is you have to learn and understand your analytics of the channel, right? So you can see over here, you can see there are 3 4 typical questions which YouTube shows, and you can see I can just click summarize my channel performance and it gives me an overview of how my channel has performed in the last 20 days. That's one use case of it, which is a bare minimum you can use every once in a while to know how your channel is performing and what is working. So you can see over here, once I click on it, I see how my channel has grown in terms of all the parameters: views, watch time, CTR, and impressions, right? Key insights: what viewers are loving, engagement, audience is committed or not, how many subscribers she has gained, and what are the actionable steps as per YouTube, right? Identify your top performer, double down on high CTR, explore the topic. So this is one. Another which question which I liked, right, was this: suggest new idea for videos. Now a lot of times we face questions on what I should make a video out of, right? And over here, what YouTube will do is, basis that algorithm, see for what people are searching, subscribers or people who are viewing your videos, what they are searching for on YouTube. And you can see it has analyzed my top performing videos, and basis that they are sharing what I should do: shorts, deep dive, YouTube Studio walkthrough, engagement and comment management. So these are the topics maybe people are searching for, and they are even suggesting the title, what I should do, and uh, how I should portray it, right? So there are a lot of questions. If I just click on this suggestion, so you can see summarize content, how can Ask Studio help me? So I will just click on this, how can Ask Studio help me, and you will see all the ideas and use case scenarios for which you can use the Ask Studio. You can do the performance and trend analysis of your channel, content strategy and idea generation, like I showed you, audience and engagement insights, which I showed, right? So you can just give it any prompt and it will share how best you can optimize for your respective channel. I hope this was useful. If you have any comments or queries, do drop in the comment section. And if you like this video, please like the video and share it with your friends who are also in their YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in.